Ever jumped into a Zoom interview or high-pressure meeting and instantly regretted not prepping harder? You're not alone. Half of us wish our screens could just whisper the answer. Enter Cluely AI, the desktop app with the wild promise of invisible real-time coaching, but is Cluely a game changer or just internet hype? Let's break it down. Here's how it actually works. You install Cluely, jump on a call, and hit a shortcut. Suddenly, a floating overlay appears on your screen, but stays hidden from anyone watching or recording. It uses speech to text and screen OCR to read what's said and what's visible, then pops up perfect responses, code snippets, even icebreakers, all tailored to the convo. You get pre-built playbooks for interviews, demos, exams, even first dates, and can upload your own docs to build a custom cheat sheet. Devs, it even auto-suggests code for whiteboard problems in 12+ languages with live explanations, like a backstage pass for LeetCode and HackerRank. The reviews? Total split. Fans on Reddit and Trustpilot love the confidence boost, saying it feels like a cheat code for work. Critics, though, worry about bugs, awkward shortcuts, and most of all, the ethical gray zone of cheating in interviews. Cluely says it's undetectable, but if your company uses advanced monitoring or you don't disclose, you could get burned. Here's a quick chart. Cluely is powerful if you use it wisely, but risky if you game the system. Try the free plan, read your company policies, and know when to say no to shortcuts. Hit subscribe for more honest AI reviews, and check another vid, because smart tech should make you smarter, not just sneakier.